and I tell her open up the door. And if they do not open the door, I kick down the door. And other day they told me that I could not do this type of shit, so I start doing this type of shit. Now look at my flow, yo. Look at my flow, just listen to me go, nigga. Look at my flow, like watch how I walk up on the floor, nigga. Look at my flow, like left, right, left, right, fruit from right. How you make two steps in one, right? For that, I tell you how I get back. I tell you how I stood on that business, yeah, I did that. I tell you how I stay by myself. I don't need no niggas, I don't need no fucking crew. I don't need no circle, nigga. I'm already with a crew. For real, yeah, that fucking crew, yeah. 2100, yeah, I'm one of them dudes, yeah. 4-way boys, that's exactly who I who. Nigga, what sound? Don't ask me what sound clown. What I be telling these little goofy ass niggas every time they come around. Tell these niggas get back, before I make their ass get down. I make their pockets bunny rabbit ears now, yeah. Snatch them out, let them hang to the fucking ground. I don't play, nigga. I raw anybody any fucking day, nigga. I tell you right now, I fell in love with fucking taking shit. Taking niggas down and I might rob a bitch too. Yeah, I take a bitch down. Ain't no motherfucking rules, nigga. You know what this about. I'm tryna run that money up. I'm tryna get her now. Tryna take shit out. Tryna take my girl out of town. Tryna ball, tryna ride, tryna grab. Nigga, I might try to. I might break down some. I might sell it whole too. I might post up on the block with the hoop. I might have no salt in my and the rocks in my socks and my knocks too. Tell you what I might do, I got the pistol too. And don't try me, I shoot, I'm bucking 12 too. Like fuck 12, that's what I do, I see 12, I might try to serve the hand too, nigga. Take out running, jump the fifth, that's just what I do, nigga. I don't talk to no police, nigga, like fuck 12, boo, nigga. We don't answer, we just break all the rules, nigga. We don't answer shit, nigga, we break all the rules. What's your name? Your name? What's your name? Your name? How old you is? How old you is? What? Oh yeah, fuck you, fuck 12, oh yeah, I don't follow no rule, nigga, I'm steady saying fuck 12, go to jail, nigga, I go to jail and raise hell. Serve a nigga through the flap, I trap all up in there. I'm all up in the fucking cell, cooking the pocket. Nigga, I ain't gon' never fucking stop it. I'ma stand my fucking 10, I'll rock out anywhere I go. And you know I love to eat, so I gotta get swollen. I do a couple push-up, face front, first flow, all I know is the fucking flow. Tryna get big on these little bitch niggas and these bitches. I'm tryna tell you, I'ma get rich. They asking me why you talking to the other wife. They asking me why you won't fall now. I'm tryna tell these niggas I ain't gon' fall, dog. I'ma find something new every time, yo. I'ma make noise. Hell yeah, I'ma make noise. Everywhere I go, nigga, I'ma make noise. You're gonna hear me one day, I'm